Hi Brondell, so this is my device and this is my toilet, and I was trying to install my Brondell bidet spa, and what happened basically here when I install T-Valve, there is a problem. It doesn't sit right, I'll show later, to the plastic connector, and it doesn't sit straight. So right now I connected back my initial connection, and I removed the T-valve, but I will try to redo it and reproduce the problem to show you. So I disconnected my existing connection, and here is the T-valve that potentially have the issue. So basically I'm going to try to put it on now. I've tried with this rubber stuff and without it, but it's always making a problem. I cannot make it go straight, connect straight. It's always doesn't connect pretty well. So let me do it and show you the problem. So basically I'm putting it on and try to see it right, but it always goes wrong. I don't know why. It's not sitting up properly, and after some time it just became connected wrong. It goes aside, you see, it's already goes this way, and if I use my wrench it just goes even worse, and it's heavily leaking when I connect everything back. It just leaked very heavily through this part because it doesn't want to sit properly here. I hope this helps. I tried without this rubber stuff and with it, and doesn't help much, doesn't change anything. So hopefully you can help me to resolve this problem. Thank you.